So you're saying that to provide help, you'll just send them straight to Ubuntu? No, if you made your own distro, you should learn to support it yourself or not make the distro. You can't send them to Ubuntu because you've changed it so much that it's probably a lot different from Ubuntu. And it's got its own errors, like remaster sys. Oh, it's not right of you to be sending people to Ubuntu's help. Make your own help, or stop making the distro. Well, the boot screen doesn't flicker anymore. I like the way it's practically unchanged from Ubuntu. And by the way, yesterday it took over 2 minutes to start up, this did. It's not very entertaining, is it? You could have at least had it doing that. Now we've got the X-Splash one. Shiny. Interesting. That was a long boot up sound. Look at the way the system's loading up. Look, you've got all this stuff coming out to the user. A lot of Linux users, well, not a lot of them, but some Linux users complain about this very thing happening on Windows with certain programs, and you've just gone and done it yourself. Type to start searching for what? You've got to learn some user experience. That makes no sense to anyone. Type to start searching for what? YouTube videos? What are we searching for? Just don't do that. Welcome to Gosalia. Ubuntu Welcome Center. Ubuntu Welcome Center. See? It's little things like that which are going to put people off. Gosalia is all about an operating system built for your needs. We do the best to cater for everyone by distributing inbuilt softwares that support a variety of fields. Is it going to cut the grass? But joking aside, that doesn't make much sense at all. And also it's called Gosalia Mad Monkey. Come on. Do you know it's almost impossible to read some of those? I'm going to have to look close at the screen. Web browser, mail and calendar, game? What? Nobody uses that. It's not called that anymore. It's called Pigeon, and you probably know it is. Akiga is almost impossible to read. OpenOffice 2, Evolution, Events, Totem, Ribbonbox, Sound Juicer, the GIMP, Inkscape, GThumb, GNOME 2.14, something 0.10, X.org, R4 or 7, Mesa 3D, Multimedia. Do you know it's impossible to read half of that, and also it's very wrong. It's very wrong. Where did you copy that from? That's not your work, because you wouldn't have put out-of-date stuff on there, would you? Would you? If you did, if this is your work, then what were you playing at when you made this? Because you know that that's out-of-date information. You know it is. Look at it. It's a mess. And this is supposed to be for new users. Now I've got to go close up to the screen again. Gosalia makes it easy to find, install and remove applications using the Debian package management system. Well, that's nothing specific to the Gosalia. Gosalia is built on Debian that offers... Is it built on Debian or Ubuntu? Security fixes and updates from Gosalia, Ubuntu and Debian. That's fragmented. You say that as if it's a good thing. You don't want updates from 3 different sources. Gosalia offers a wide range of documentations in different languages. Well, if you've got translated ones, then that's fair enough, because it's not all that easy to do that. Gosalia offers commercial support from... I didn't see anywhere that said commercial support. If your forum is commercial support, then it's not commercial support, and that's another thing that you're bullshitting about. Accessible for impaired and disabled. Well, someone with fucking eyesight problems isn't going to be able to read this, because I have perfect eyesight, and I've got to go right up close to the screen to read this tiny little text. Gosalia offers accessibility tools for impaired and disabled, like on-screen keyboard, screen magnifiers. You need a screen magnifier if your eyes are fine. Screen readers, alternative inputs, and support for braille input devices. OpenOffice 2 allows you to read and write. You haven't got OpenOffice 2, and if you have, I'm going to laugh. Also, GIMP allows you to read, write graphics, photos using it, and use it in other systems. Easy to install applications. Oh no, you can't hover the mouse over the things because they disappear. Automatic updates, documentations and technical support. accessible for impaired and disabled. Interoperability with other systems. Well, you cut the bloody impaired thing off. Debian, based on Debian. App Package Manager, flexible and advanced package manager. Update Manager, automatic updates. No accessibility, tools for the impaired and disabled. You can't fucking read half of them things. Look at the icons as well. Where did you get this screen from? Because you didn't make this, did you? You just stuck your logo on it. Gosalia supports Zero Conf and AVAHI to connect to a computer and share files and settings easily. Gosalia makes wireless networking seem less stressful with inbuilt network manager. Gosalia makes use of... Oh, right, so you can share with Windows files by default then. Zero Conf, service device, framework, zero network configuration, Windows interoperability, network file system support, desktop bus and hardware extraction layer networking. Gosalia makes it easy to connect and implement new networking _ technology _ IES for new and existing _ networks. Wow, is that a new type of topology _ networks? Programming languages. Gosalia offers wide selection of programming languages for your software needs. With Gosalia, you can easily get the right tools and requirements for your software. Gosalia makes it easy to obtain and access software programming documentaries with dev help. You can access them right into your desktop. GTK, Ruby, GNC, DNUC compiler. Did you proofread this distro before you shipped it? Did you really? Because this is fucking stupid. It makes no sense, half of this stuff. And did you really look at this? Now, gathering from your YouTube channel and the default languages of the system, you're Australian. So, I understand that you have a good understanding of English. So, even if you didn't yourself, because not everyone knows how to speak English properly, it's not their fault. Some people just can't do it, it's fine. But even though you probably speak it over there anyway, but still, if you're not that strong at English, then you should have got a friend or someone to proofread it for you, because you can't be shipping things saying business stability when it's got English written like that, with text so tiny and out-of-date information, which you know for a fact is out-of-date before even launching it, because this is based on Ubuntu 9.10, as we can tell from the install. And Ubuntu 9.10 doesn't come with OpenOffice 2. And if you've removed OpenOffice 3 and put OpenOffice 2 there, I'm going to laugh at you because it's stupid. I don't want to ever look at that again, so we'll turn that off.